Hi everybody, so I know it's been a while since we've uploaded a video talking about a different stock. So I've been waiting quite some time for Facebook, but let's go ahead and let's talk about this and dive in quick so you guys can go ahead and see what I'm seeing and place a trade on it this week. So if you're looking at this trade, you probably have no idea what's going on. It looks like nonsense to you. Even if we took off ICHIMOKU, this would still look like nonsense. You wouldn't have any idea what's going on. Now, I'm not necessarily looking at the day or the week or the monthly, but you can see how clear the chart gets when we go ahead and go up. Now, the last time prices came down to this moving average was back in April, and I remember when Facebook had those privacy things that was going on with Zuckerberg, Facebook stock pulled back pretty significantly. I think it was like a 10% pullback on this. And Facebook right now has pulled back to the same level. And you can already see it's already going to get exhausted. The wicking has already occurred. I don't think it's going to go much lower. I do not see it dropping all the way down to this support at $120 per share. So I'll be looking to buy Facebook right when market opens. Probably have a stop loss about $10, $15 per share beneath my entry. And my take profit can either be all the way up here at 218 or I can have an infinite take profit.